Welcome to my channel, Tips to Financial Independence. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe for more videos. Today, I'm going to talk about the 7 rules of investing as per Warren Buffett. Warren Buffett is also known as the Oracle of Omaha. He is among the richest people in the world and is worth billions of dollars. He made his fortune investing in great companies. He owns Berkshire Hathaway, whose Class A shares are currently trading for $462,000 per share. Rule number 1: intelligence and integrity are the foundation. When doing research before investing, it's good to know that the CEO of the company has a high form of intelligence and integrity. This will help grow the company and bring profit to shareholders. If the business does well, the increase in share price will follow. Rule number 2: pay attention to facts, not emotions. Do not believe every news article or go with what you watch on TV, as these sources can play on your emotions. The stock market goes up and down, and this can also play on your emotions. Buy stocks in great companies by studying their fundamentals. For example, what's the company's revenue? Are they making profit? What's their track record? Do they make promises and deliver? Is the company growing? Facebook shares fell earlier this month because of declining users for the first time. Evaluate the company, not the stock. Rule number 3: buy wonderful businesses at a fair price. Do not buy a fair business at a wonderful price. Instead, buy wonderful business at a fair price. You'll be able to know a wonderful company if you have studied its fundamentals. Pick companies with a durable product or service and have great earnings with a promise of good future profits. The companies need to have a durable competitive advantage. Rule number 4: buy stocks that you understand. If you do not understand the stock, do not buy it. The Richest Man in Babylon book echoes this sentiment. You do not have to be an expert in everything, but seek those with knowledge in the area to help you make an informed decision. Rule number 5: seize the opportunity. The market will correct from time to time. If you have done your research on great companies, you will not miss to see when the opportunity to buy cheaply presents itself. When you see the opportunity, seize it. Rule number 6: don't sell because of price fluctuations. Warren Buffett says if you cannot hold a company's shares for 10 years, do not buy and hold it for even 10 minutes. When holding long term, only sell if the fundamentals of the company change. Rule number 7: buy stocks below what they are worth. If there is market downturn, invest aggressively. Buffett advises investors to always have cash on hand to use when the downturn does happen. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.